July 10th. July 10th, pre-orders open for this phone. Starts shipping out July 24th. The Motorola Razr and Razr Plus. And wow, are these phones absolutely beautiful. So now the budget type phone of the Motorola Razr series does get an actual full outside display. It's not as big as the Plus series or the Ultra series, but it's still very nice. This outside display is still plentiful and gives you plenty of room to work with. And obviously this is the new Ultra variant, which is, again, like I said, it's just gorgeous. I mean, Motorola, they do an amazing job when it comes to this. They do it better than Samsung. They really do. And I'm not just saying that because the inside display is 144 hertz and Samsung is still at 120, which, again, I've said many times, 144 hertz inside display really means nothing. All YouTube, media, entertainment is all going to be 120 hertz. The only time you ever will use, 60 hertz, excuse me, is all 60 hertz. Only time you will ever use over 60 hertz in anything will be for gaming, and that's literally it. Which, again, I don't know how much people are going to be gaming on these flippable cell phones, but if you are, not many games are optimized for above 60 hertz in the Play Store. It's just not really a thing because there's only one or two phones out there, maybe, well, one flippable phone, but a couple candy bar cell phones that actually have above 120 hertz out or outside display. So it's not like you really, it's not like these game companies or these developers for mobile apps are really, optimizing their devices or their apps to play at 120 hertz plus. So it's kind of one of those things where it's like 144 hertz inside display is kind of pointless, but it is nice to have an extra feature, It's nice to kind of have that extra little look, but again, just absolutely gorgeous. As it says right here, the global Motorola Razr 50 and 50 Ultra is available in beach sand, gray, and orange. It will open for pre-orders July 10th, starting from $700, and will ship on July 24th. Buyers in Europe will be able to buy it at some point, pricing pending, obviously. So yeah, it's gonna look it looks so beautiful already, and I'm so excited to pick this up. I mean, it is a gorgeous phone. Like, Motorola really, as always, kills it and knocks it out of the park when it comes to these phones. So they do an amazing job of getting people excited because, again, it's amazing. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.